Officers eat last. Rule number 131, stay calm. This is a timeless lesson that transcends the military and applies to all aspects of your life for a business owner. Staying calm regardless of the chaos around you isn't just a leadership rule. It's a crucial skill that can enhance your decision-making abilities. I learned firsthand the importance of keeping a level head in the midst of uncertainty while in combat as a U.S. Marine in Kosovo, Iraq, and Afghanistan. Combat involves chaos, uncertainty, and the weight of critical decisions. Your ability to make competent and effective choices is significantly heightened if you can maintain your composure. This isn't just a military principle, it's a universal truth. Let's draw some inspiration from history, particularly the British poster from 1939, Keep Calm and Carry On. This motivational gem was crafted by the UK government during World War II, a time when major cities in Britain faced the heightened threat of air attacks. Designed to boost the morale of the British public, the poster serves as a powerful reminder. Even in the face of adversity, staying calm becomes a beacon guiding us towards better decisions. Now, I hope none of you find yourselves under air attack, but the lesson remains profoundly relevant. Stay calm to make better decisions. If you found value in this video and want to dive deeper into more leadership insights, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, leave a comment. Your engagement fuels our mission to share more wisdom that stands the test of time. Thanks for watching.